Starbucks has built a globally recognized brand through strong operational efficiency, high product quality, and highly coordinated supply chain. Its bean to cup system relies on ethically sourced Arabica beans from over 30 countries, strict roasting controls, and advanced distribution networks that ensure consistency across 35,000 stores. The company emphasizes sustainability through waste reduction, energy and water efficiency, and circular economy initiatives, while also supporting farmers and promoting ethical labor practices. Despite significant progress, Starbucks still faces criticism regarding waste, taxes, and labor concerns, showing that maintaining global alignment between sustainability goals and real-world practices remains an ongoing challenge. For the introduction part, we have that Starbucks is one of the largest and most influential coffee house chains in the world, operating more than 35,000 stores and creating a global standard for premium coffee and customer experience. Its success is closely tied to its open management strategy, which integrates product design, quality control, and supply chain coordination to deliver consistent value across all markets. The company's supply chain extends from coffee farms in more than 30 countries to highly supervised roasting centers and efficient global distribution networks, all designed to maintain product freshness, flavor, and service consistency. This case study analyzes Starbucks through the key operations management areas such as the productivity, quality management, supply chain structure, and sustainability. It explores how the company's emphasis on ethically sourced ingredients, strict quality standards, and a socially responsible supply chain has shaped its competitive advantage. Additionally, it examines Starbucks' sustainability and ethical practices, including circular economy initiatives and environmental commitments, to evaluate how effectively the company balances profitability with global responsibility.
Starbucks relies on operations management to keep thousands of stores running consistently around the world. OM is what turns inputs like coffee beans, equipment, and labor into the drinks and service customers receive. And because Starbucks operates at such a large global scale, it needs strong and predictable processes. A major part of it is supply chain. Starbucks sources high-quality Arabica beans and support farmers and uses standardized roasting profiles so the flavor stays the same everywhere. And after roasting, products move through distribution centers and then to stores to prevent shortages and keep operations stable. Productivity is also essential. Barista stations are designed to avoid unnecessary movement, and during busy hours they follow the peak playbook to keep drinks flowing smoothly. And Starbucks uses sales data and technology, like mobile orders and drive-thru timers, to reduce wait times and balance demand. With standardized recipes and lean practices, Starbucks maintains speed, consistency, and efficiency. The design of goods and services at Starbucks focuses on creating products customers enjoy while keeping them practical to prepare. Starbucks aims for consistency and quality, using standardized ingredients and clear recipes so drinks taste the same anywhere. At the same time, customers can personalize their drinks with different milks, syrups, or toppings without disrupting operations. Before releasing a new beverage, Starbucks says how it affects speed, storage, and barista workflow. Seasonal drinks like the pumpkin spice latte go through this process to make sure they are appealing but still efficient during busy hours. Food items and packagings are also designed for quick preparation and sustainability, especially with mobile orders and drive-thrus. Service design matters too. Starbucks creates a comfortable third-place atmosphere with store layout, lighting, and music, while the app rewards system make ordering easier and more engaging. Overall, Starbucks balances customers' experience with efficient, realistic operations.
Managing quality. This company has built its reputation on delivering a unique experience grounded in high quality, combining both its products and service into one strong value proposition. Its most important quality standards focus on coffee and the overall product experience. The company is committed to ethically sourcing premium Arabica beans, roasting them to peak flavor, and maintaining the rich aroma and consistency customers expect. Instead of prioritizing speed, they focus on achieving a signature taste that sets them apart. They also invest heavily in training their baristas to meet strict brewing standards, from espresso extraction to milk steaming, ensuring every drink is crafted with precision. This attention to detail highlights the dedication behind each cup and helps build customer trust around the world. Supply chain management. Starbucks has built one of the most recognized and sustainable supply chains in the world, supporting more than 35,000 stores in its first shop opened in 1971. From sourcing to retail, this chain is carefully designed. Starbucks buys coffee ethically from over 30 countries, working with more than 380,000 farmers to ensure stability and quality. It processes and roasts beans in strategically located facilities across the US, Europe, and Asia, maintaining strict quality controls. Its distribution network combines company-owned and third-party logistics to deliver products efficiently, supported by green logistics initiatives. Finally, at the retail level, integrated inventory systems and consistent operational standards ensure that every store delivers the same high-quality Starbucks experience worldwide.
Sustainability. Starbucks integrates sustainability across its supply chain through environmental, ethical, and circular economy practices designed to reduce waste, support communities, and promote long-term resource efficiency. As a global company that relies heavily on natural resources, specifically coffee, Starbucks recognizes that sustainability is essential not only for brand reputation, but for the long-term survival of its business model. We also have the sustainable retail design and store construction, in which Starbucks applies sustainability not only in supply chain and sourcing, but also in the physical design of its stores. We have the Green Store certification, in which Starbucks has developed its own Green Store framework supported by the World Wildlife Fund, which covers energy use, water efficiency, the waste management, and responsible materials. The company plans to open 10,000 green stores by 2025. We also have the operational sustainability monitoring, in which each Greener store uses digital dashboards that track energy use, waste consumption, and waste metrics so managers can make immediate improvements. These initiatives elevate sustainability from supply operations to everyday store management.
Circular economy. The circular economy is a system that keeps materials in use for as long as possible by reusing, repairing, and recycling items instead of throwing them away. This helps reduce waste and save resources. Starbucks applies this idea in several ways. Customers can bring reusable cups, and some stores offer circular cups made from recycled paper cups. Starbucks is testing cup borrowing programs and aims to cut waste to landfill by 50% by 2030. Second, to its Greener Store program. Starbucks uses water-efficient taps and toilets and sometimes reuses water from ice machines for flushing. And third, Starbucks is working to use less energy by installing LED lights, energy-efficient machines, and better heating and cooling systems. They are also investing in renewable energy like solar power and battery storage. Ethical aspects. Starbucks is known for being socially responsible. It provides strong benefits for employees, including healthcare, stock options, and tuition support, and works to source its coffee ethically through its CAFE practices program, which promotes fair wages, safe working conditions, and environmentally friendly farming. The company also supports diversity, LGBTQ+ rights, community programs, and environmental efforts such as reducing waste, saving water, and using clean energy. However, the company also faces criticism. It still produces a lot of single-use waste, has struggled to meet some environmental goals, and has been questioned for partnering with companies that do not match its stated values. Starbucks has also been accused of using tax strategies to reduce what it pays and has faced complaints about how it handles workers' rights.
In conclusion, Starbucks has built one of the strongest and most advanced supply chains in the world, and its success has come from combining quality, ethics, and global consistency. The company clearly puts effort into supporting farmers, protecting the environment, and creating a responsible value chain, and sustainability initiatives such as circular economy projects, water conservation, technologies, and clean energy strategies shows a real commitment to change. However, Starbucks also faces important criticisms, especially regarding waste generation, labor concerns, and the difference between its environmental promises and real performance in some regions.
To conclude, Starbucks has made progress in circular economy practices and ethical efforts. Its reusable cup programs, waste reduction, water conservation, and clean energy investments show a commitment to reducing its environmental impact, though some question if this is partly for public image. The company also leads in fair sourcing, employee benefits, inclusion, and community engagement. However, issues like tax controversies, partnerships with questionable companies, and labor concerns highlight gaps between its promises and actions. Overall, Starbucks strives for sustainability and ethical responsibility, but it still needs greater transparency and consistency to fully meet its goals.
In conclusion, Starbucks has been able to grow globally by combining strong operations management, consistent product quality, and a reliable supply chain. The company focuses on ethical sourcing, well-designed processes, and efficient store operations to give customers a predictable and a positive experience in every location. Even though challenges like waste and labor concerns still exist, Starbucks continues to improve its practices.